Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm attending Gudi Padwa Shobha Yatra. It is held every year at Gudi Padwa where thousands of people participate. Leading the procession will be a group of women riding bikes, playing dhols, dancing. Wait and watch.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
The rally starts from Girgaon Church all the way to Princess Street. It starts at 8 am. I'm a bit late today, but now I'm all geared up with my camera.
Huge floats can be found here, depicting various aspects of the Indian culture and tradition. The celebration will be incomplete without Ganpati Bappa, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and Vithoba. The new year is ushered in on Gudi Padwa by raising the Gudi as a victory flag or Vijay Dhwaj. The Gudi has a new silk cloth with a copper pot inverted on top. It is garlanded with mango leaves, neem leaves, crystallized sugar, and marigolds.
Such a lot of color, fun, excitement, flags, flowers, floats at one place are rare to see. I had a lot of fun at the Shobha Yatra today, clicked so many photographs and videos. It was the first time I came here and I'm glad I did. If you guys like my video, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Here is my previous video. Please go check it out guys. Happy Gudi Padwa. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.